Hello and welcome to this new video. Today we will be talking about the different types and categories of the stock. Basically on what basis and what are the different categories that you can club into. So we'll look into the different categories of the stock, and now these categories are actually defined or they are based out of few parameters, right? Few bases. So there are two important bases on which these categories will be done that we will be discussing. So two important bases is right on which it can be done. So the first one is market capitalization, right? And the second one is fundamentals. So these are the two major categories on which again you can define the different categories of stock. So now I'll quickly explain what is market capitalization and fundamentals. So market capitalization is nothing but the value of the company, right? The total valuation of the company. Now how is this calculated? It is calculated by number of shares, right, available into the current price of the stock, right? So suppose there are some 100 shares available in the market and the current price is 50, so the market capitalization is this, right? So this is how it is calculated. So basically market capitalization gives you the valuation of the company. So just to give an example, Reliance is the most valued company in India. It has a market capitalization of 18 lakh crores, right? And similarly there are others in that order it is defined. Now let's see the second basis on which we can again define the different set of categories. So this is fundamentals. So what do I mean by fundamentals? Basically how the company is performing, right? How good the company is, or basically you can say what is the health of the company, right? Like what is the profit and loss statement, what is the balance sheet, what is its current price, is it like overvalued or undervalued, right? So now we will now on these two bases we'll categorize the our stocks, right? So let's move further. So now we'll look into the first point, which is market capitalization, right? And on this we will see what are the different categories or we can have, right, types. So the first one is large cap, the second one is mid cap, and the third one is small cap, right? So cap is nothing but capitalization. So basically how the stocks are categorized is into large, mid and small. So now what do you mean by large cap? So basically large cap companies are the big companies which has a very huge market capitalization. Like for example Reliance, TCS, HDFC, right? So now NSC has also defined a way to categorize this. So under large cap, the top 100 companies, right? The top 100 companies will come into play, right? According to market capitalization. Now what do I mean by this? So top 100 companies. Now so the first 100 companies in the order of market capitalization with the highest market capitalization, and also you can understand in a way that the companies which are greater than 60 thousand K market capitalization will come under large cap, right? So examples will be like Reliance, TCS, Infosys, HDFC Bank. So all these market capitalizations are like 1 lakh, 10 lakhs crores in that way. So basically any figure which is greater than 60,000 crores will be categorized into large cap, right? Now we'll look into what is mid cap. So mid cap is nothing but the category of stocks, right, which comes from, so according to NSE the definition is stocks from 101 to 250, 250th stock, right, according to market capitalization, or you can say which belongs to, which is less than 60k and it is greater than 20k, right? So whatever companies fall in this category will be called as mid cap, right? So large cap is more than 60k and mid caps is like between 20k and 60k. So this is the range defined, or in a way you can see that the company starting from 101 to 250. So don't worry, I'll show you how to figure out this list, right? Now let's understand small caps. So small caps is again nothing but, so small caps is again according to NSE the range is from 250 till the end of the list, right? Or you can say companies which are less than 20k, which are less than 20k, correct? So this is the simple way on the basis of market capitalization how you can do. Now I was talking about this list, right? So let me show you the list, how you can get that list. So this is the screener. So just go to create new screen, type here market capitalization, right, and then put a greater than symbol and just say like 1. So here every figure is in crores, so I'm just saying market capitalization greater than 1. So this will give me the whole list of companies which are available in Indian stock market, right? So see, it's 4300 results are found, right? And you can just sort it out with market capitalization, and this will give you the biggest company, as I mentioned, Reliance, TCS and all, and so this is the order. So in this way, if you see the first 100 companies, so the first screen will have 50, and if you come to the second screen, so till 100, so these till this company, it is a large cap company, and from 101 starts the mid cap company. Similarly from 250 onwards starts the small cap company. So now we have looked into the basis of market capitalization, what are the different categories, and now we'll look into from the basis of fundamentals how we can define, right? So let's look into this aspect as well. So when we categorize in terms of fundamentals, right? So fundamentals, so we will categorize into two major categories. One is overvalued, right, and the other one is undervalued. So now what do I mean by overvalued company category and undervalued category? So overvalued will have companies whose price is more than what is its current fundamentals going, right? So fundamentals like profit and loss statement, balance sheet, market capitalization, shareholding patterns. So all these parameters will be considered, and then it will be compared with the price, and there is one major parameter which tells us whether it's overvalued or undervalued. It is the PE ratio, right? So this is not the only parameter, but this helps in understanding. So this will define whether a company is overvalued or undervalued. Similarly for undervalued, we will again see the same set of things, and we will see The fundamentals are very good, but the compared to the price is less, right? So we will call them undervalued stocks. So it's always better to invest in undervalued stocks so that it gives a good return rather than overvalued, because overvalued might go for a healthy correction, or it might go for a long consolidation. Because in both the cases the fundamental is good, the companies are good, it's just that how the price will behave is what we can see. And there is also one more parameter, which is RSI. This is also sometimes considered to check whether the stocks are overvalued or undervalued. So just to recap as to what we learned today, so there are two bases on which we categorize the stocks. The one is the market capitalization and the other one is fundamentals. Market capitalization has large, mid and small, and fundamentals we can categorize into valued and undervalued stocks. I hope you like this video. If yes, please like the button and also subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching this video.